OEM Racing Performance, the most advanced parts on the planet.
Oh yeah!
So we just got a request from a dealer who's never had a turbo kit exhaust, and I was trying to explain to him how awesome these exhausts are, so I just want to show you what they look like. This is the new Downtown 300 exhaust. It comes in a nice little package. M4 T89-N, TKC-M4 T89-N, and you can, comes a ready display box, just like your Shimura or Turbo Kit or Two Brothers. They all come in those nice little display boxes, so you can see the exhaust through the little window there. And it's made in Spain, you know, and it shows some of the features on the outside. You can see the website, how it works, and I've already pre-cut this so you can open it up. And let's lay it down here so we can check it out. So once you open it up, you're going to see the exhaust canister. It comes packaged there. You can see how nice this looks, the Stealth Black. It's half the size for the Ruckus. For a long bike like the 300, you're going to see a much longer muffler and exhaust here. Brings the header, as you can see. Comes in a nice little package, bubble wrap. All the brackets, all the little pieces. And underneath, that's it. It's really all you need for the Downtown 300. Just the header piece. It's pretty self-explanatory, but the instructions are inside the little package there, and all the bolts and everything is in a nice sealed bag with stickers. So if you need a Downtown or a Kymco Exciting 500, a Quantum exhaust, or a Bed & Win Agility 125, we have them all in stock right now from Turbo Kit in these nice little boxes, and they come with admiring how nice the Turbo Kit race exhaust is. Look at that. Beautiful. And only do that with TK. The sound of this thing, you can hear it like a mile away. It sounds like it's a full 400 or 500cc motorcycle. I mean, it's really, really nice, the sound of the Turbo Kit. And we're going to take that out for a spin. We're going to be putting some ride videos with the Turbo Kit exhaust on the CPI GTR 150.